Welcome to the latest edition of Respiratory Research Updates, covering breakthroughs in the past 2 weeks. Brought to you by Lucid Quest. Wave Life Sciences announced that its late-breaking oral presentation at ATS 2026 will include additional data from both the 400mg multi-dose cohort and the 600mg single-dose cohort of its WVE-006RNA editing therapy in alpha-1 antitrypsin deficiency, potentially shaping future regulatory and clinical positioning. Savara reported that the FDA Day 74 letter for MOLBREEVI in autoimmune pulmonary alveolar proteinosis confirmed that no advisory committee meeting is currently planned, while maintaining a PDUFA date of August 22, 2026, and progressing parallel regulatory submissions in Europe. Trevi Therapeutics shared that it has aligned with the FDA following its end-of-phase 2 meeting on the development plan for nalbuphine extended release in idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis-related chronic cough, with 2 phase 3 trials expected to begin in the second quarter of 2026. United Therapeutics published full results from the TETON 2 phase 3 trial in the New England Journal of Medicine, demonstrating statistically significant preservation of forced vital capacity and fewer clinical worsening events in patients with idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis treated with nebulized treprostinil. Bioverse's announced dosing of the first patient in its Phase 2b study of ALP-E in pulmonary tuberculosis under the Unite for TB platform, with results anticipated by the end of 2027 and additional studies planned in tuberculosis meningitis. Yoltech Therapeutics received FDA clearance of its investigational new drug application for YOLT202, enabling a Phase 2-3 study in alpha-1 antitrypsin deficiency, alongside early signals from initial first-in-human patients. Cereno Scientific reported regulatory approval in Sweden for a Phase 1 pharmacokinetic study of CS014, designed based on FDA feedback to support progression toward Phase 2b development in pulmonary hypertension associated with interstitial lung disease. SK Bioscience secured funding from the Wright Foundation to accelerate early clinical development of its RSV preventive antibody RSM01, including advancement into a Phase 1b study in infants. Stay ahead in respiratory research. Like, share, and subscribe for our updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com.